the processes involved in glycolysis is the first is the phosphorylation. Phosphorylation first. In this process, ATP breaks into ADP and releases one phosphate group. The second step is isomerization, in which glucose 6-phosphate changes into fructose 6-phosphate. And the third process is the again phosphorylation, second, with the expense of 1 ATP into 1 changes into 1 ADP. And the third process is the cleavage, in which fructose 1,6-diphosphate breaks into dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. The next reaction, that is the sixth reaction, is the phosphorylation plus dehydrogenation. In which one phosphate group is added from cytoplasm and 2 hydrogen atom is released here, which are accepted by NAD to reduce into NADH plus H. The third reaction is the formation of 1 ATP, formation of ATPs. ATP, that is it is also called dephosphorylation, in which 1 ADP changes into 1 ATP. And the next process, and the eighth reaction, is the mutation. The ninth reaction may be called dehydration. And the 10th reaction is called again dephosphorylation, or formation of ATP. Dephosphorylation or formation of ATPs. Here, from sixth reaction, the two molecules of each produce in the glycolysis, that is now we will discuss about the enzymes involved in glycolysis. Their first enzyme is called hexokinase or glucokinase. Hexokinase or glucokinase. There are 4 steps in glycolysis, in which either ATPs are produced or it break down, and all reactions are involved by enzymes having suffix kinase. So the first is the hexokinase, and the second one is the second enzyme is called phosphohexoisomerase. And the third one is again phosphohexokinase. And the fourth one is the cleavage process, and the enzyme is called aldolase. And the fifth one is also isomerization, that's why it is called triose phosphoisomerase. The fifth one enzyme is called, that is, there are two processes are involved, that is phosphorylation and dehydrogenase. So it is called 3-phosphoglycerol dehydrogenase. And the fifth one, here ATP is produced, so it is called 3-phosphoglycerate kinase. And the next reaction is the mutation, so it is called 3-phosphoglycerate mutase. 3-phosphoglycerate mutase. And the next reaction, that is ninth reaction, in which hydrogen atom is released, so it is called enolase. And the last reaction, which is catalyzed by important enzyme, that is called pyruvate kinase. Things happen in glycolysis, that is oxidation of glucose into pyruvic acids. The second thing is the NAD is reduced into plus H. And the third one is ADP ATP is phosphorylated into ATP. Now we will discuss about the energetics of glycolysis. Here in very short, 4 ATPs, 2 ATPs are consumed, that is in reaction 1 and in reaction 3rd, and 4 ATPs are produced in reaction 7 and in 10th. So net ATP in glycolysis, net ATPs produced in glycolysis is 2 ATPs. That is all about the basic concept of glycolysis.